Hi, I'm Kris Tague. Welcome to this episode of Repair Tag, Season 2. Robert worked on a Yamaha YBB201 which was in need of a serious cleaning. We were not sure how long it had been since the last cleaning, but it was, shall we say, overdue. After removing stuck slides, extracting the valves, and some minor dent removal, it was time for the ultrasonic cleaning. Our ultrasonic cleaner uses two different sound wave frequencies to break down the buildup inside the instrument. This is the most effective cleaning possible for instruments and is usually not required more than every other year, provided the instrument is being regularly cleaned and maintained by the player. We have the 90-gallon cleaner at our Citrus Heights location and the 39-gallon cleaner at our Roseville location. Call us today to schedule your cleaning. Brien had a nice Gibson Les Paul Standard in this week with a noisy jack problem. After removing the jack, Brien was able to clean the contact points, which had become dirty and was impeding the signal. The soldered connections were a bit weak, so Brien strengthened them by reflowing the existing solder while adding a bit more. This also makes for a better connection. After reassembling the jack, the sound was clean and no longer compromised. Another satisfied client, ready to rock and roll.
Mm-hmm.